welcome in Pune District Education Association Pune's Educational Quality Improvement Class May-June 2020 Standard 10 Subject English. I am Mr. Pawar DP, and the topic we are going to learn in this session is summary writing. What is summary writing? Summary writing means shortened version of passage written in one's own words. A summary always covers the essential points of the original passage. It presents large chunks of information in short, cohesive sentences. Summary can be used for to sum up information, means to summarize information briefly. Next, to present information concisely, means to present information briefly or shortly. And to the last, or to state the main or essential points without any detailed explanation. Guidelines for summarizing a passage. Here are the few guidelines for summary writing. If you keep these guidelines in your mind, your summary will be an ideal. Read the passage. Read the passage once or twice to understand. So read the passage first. Make a note of keywords, main points, or arguments and topic sentences. Try to form a brief outline of the passage. Use your own language to convey the ideas. Avoid technical language. Don't use technical language for summary writing. Write in simple and understandable English. The summary must be objective and written in third person. Use pronouns he, his, him, she, her, they, them, it. Use reporting verb. For example, said, told, asked, suggested, advised, explained, exclaimed, etc. Illustrations, examples, quotations, etc. can be omitted while summarizing the passage. Don't add illustrations, examples, quotations in your summary writing. Next, leave out the minor details including dates, years, numbers, statistics, exclamations, interrogation, birth and death. Other few guidelines for summary writing. Don't add your opinions. There is no scope for your opinions in summary writing. So don't add your opinions while summarizing the passage. Write a rough draft, edit it and adjust the length. Compare the summary to the original passage for accuracy. Check the draft for spelling mistakes, punctuation and grammatical errors. Form a fair draft of the summary. And to the last, give a suitable title to the summary. Keep all these guidelines in your mind and prepare a perfect summary of the passage. Remember one thing while While summarizing the passage, there is no specific length for a summary. It must only be brief and present the essential points. Thank you.